Today I'm going to show you HandBrake instructions step by step so you can convert and compress your videos with the best balance of quality, file size, and playback performance. Whether you're preparing videos for YouTube, mobile, web, or archiving, HandBrake is one of the easiest free tools to get the job done. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake on your computer. When the app launches, you'll see the main interface, and the first thing you need to do is import your video. You can do that in two ways. You can click the file icon on the left side to browse for your video, or you can simply drag and drop the video file directly into the HandBrake window. This makes the process quick and easy, especially if you already know exactly which file you want to work with. Once you've selected your file, HandBrake will begin scanning the source. This is called source scanning, and it may take a few moments depending on the size and length of the video. Let the scan complete before changing anything else because HandBrake needs to read the video details first. After that finishes, you'll be ready to choose your settings. Now, move on to the presets. At the top toolbar, click the presets button to open the sidebar. This is where HandBrake gives you ready-made settings for different use cases. For a simple and reliable setup, go to the general category and select Fast 10 80p 30. This is a great universal preset for high-definition viewing on web and mobile devices. It gives you a strong starting point without needing to manually configure everything from scratch. Next, let's fine-tune the important settings. Start on the Summary tab. Here, make sure the format is set to MP4. MP4 is widely supported and works well for most platforms. Also, check the Web Optimize box. This is important because it helps the file stream better online, which is especially useful if you're uploading to the web or sharing the video digitally. After that, go to the Dimensions tab. Here, verify that the resolution limit matches your source video. You also want cropping set to automatic. Automatic cropping helps remove black bars if they're present, so your final video looks cleaner and more professional. This is one of those small details that makes a big difference in the final result. Now open the Video tab, because this is where the main compression settings live. Set the video codec to H.264, also shown as X264. This codec is one of the most common and compatible choices available. Then set the frame rate to same as source and choose peak frame rate. That helps preserve smooth playback while keeping the encode efficient. Next, adjust the constant quality setting, sometimes called the RF slider. A value of 22 is often considered the sweet spot between file size and quality. If you want a good-looking video without creating a massive file, 22 is a solid place to start. Lower numbers usually mean higher quality and larger files, while higher numbers reduce file size more aggressively. For most users, 22 is a great balance. Then go to the Audio tab. Make sure the codec is AAC and set the bitrate to at least 160 kilobits per second. This gives you clear, reliable audio quality for most videos. If your source audio is already high quality, this setting helps preserve that without making the file unnecessarily large. Once all your settings are ready, it's time to choose where the finished file will go. At the bottom right, click Browse to select your destination folder. Give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later. Before starting the encode, verify that the file extension ends in .m4 or .mkv, depending on the format you selected. Checking this now helps avoid confusion after the render finishes. When everything looks good, click the green Start Encode button at the top. HandBrake will begin processing your video. While it works, you'll see the progress bar at the bottom along with an estimated time remaining. That lets you track the conversion and know roughly when it will finish. And that's the full HandBrake workflow. Import your media, choose a preset, fine-tune the settings, set your destination, and start encoding. It's a simple process once you've done it a couple of times, and now you've got a solid setup for high-quality, efficient video conversion. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.